This is Don Howe, and the audio clip I'm about to play for you from one of our HIS conference calls is about identifying and putting together your financial blueprint.
Number one cause of all relationship breakups is money. It's finances. The biggest reason behind marital fights is because people in this relationship have different blueprints. It's not necessarily about the money itself. It's about how the money is handled, how the other person views the money, how they view finances, and how money should be spent. If your blueprint doesn't match that of the person you're dealing with, you'll have a major challenge. Once again, the money is not usually the issue. It's each person has a different financial blueprint. And once you realize this, you then can recognize what your partner's blueprint is, and then you can deal with your partner in a way that works for both of you. But the first thing you must do if you're going to change is to become aware of what the problem is. And most likely, it's that their money, mental filing cabinets, the files that are in their cabinets, are not the same as yours. So, the way to figure this out is sit down with your partner, your spouse, your business partner, whatever it is, find out what it is that motivates that person. Find out what they're afraid of. Deal with the roots instead of the fruits. If you're having relationship problems that center around money, sit down and say, okay, when you were growing up, what did you hear concerning money? How was money modeled in your family? Were there any emotional incidents that occurred? So sometimes it goes back to maybe somebody was 13 years old, had been promised something, and then there was a financial hiccup in the family, and they made a choice not to fulfill that promise. Maybe it was go on a vacation or go somewhere or do something or buy them something. And as a result, every time you make a promise to your partner, and I'm saying partner as opposed to spouse because it could be a business partner or something else, every time you make a promise and then don't fulfill that promise, that emotional hurt comes back, and it's like touching a real sore spot on a person's arm, or they've got this sore spot, and you don't have to touch it very hard, and it really hurts them. So once again, you must understand that you cannot change yourself or anybody else by simply whacking at the fruits. You need to go down and figure out what the roots are and work on the roots. This whole topic is not so much about learning as it is about...
I hope you enjoyed this sample audio clip. You can listen to more free samples at howtosellfinalexpense.com.